I'm here in the kitchen with Cheech today. This is one talented man.
Oh.
All right, this shirt feels very good.
It was free. That's what I like
It was free? All right, would you do me a favor?
Yes,
now, I'm gonna make roasted red potatoes. All right, if you would, mush me up 4 cloves of garlic, please.
Watch this.
Okay, I'm watching.
Okay, well, you can do that.
Yes. Now I've got about 1.5 pounds of red potatoes, Cheech.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm just gonna quarter these potatoes.
How do you want this garlic done?
Just mash.
Mash, okay.
Because we're gonna put it all on these taters with the olive oil and salt and pepper.
And we put on what with the what? Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Olive oil. Is that good?
Oh, that's you're the man,
Maybe.
honey. And look what I'm gonna do.
Ooh.
We just gonna have the worst garlic breath,
I love that.
but we gonna be happy.
You gotta have breath you can walk on, you know?
I like that. All right, so
Ooh.
just gonna toss those again. Oh my goodness, these are gonna be so good, Cheech.
Oh.
All right, now let's put these in the oven and let's roast them for about 45 minutes,
45
okay?
minutes, all right, I can do that.
Yum.
Yeah.
Nothing like a potato, y'all, nothing in the world. Have you ever planted potatoes, Cheech?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever harvested them?
No, I haven't.
Oh my gosh, they're so much fun. They grow under the ground. And it's so much fun to get down your hands and knees and find those potatoes.
Oh, baby. The simple
My
pleasures in
granny.
life.
Yes, it's the simple things.
What can I do?
Okay, you want to get the taters out of the oven?
Watch this.
Okay, I'm watching.
All right, put one on there. I'm going in.
That's a man's job, y'all. Thank you, Cheech.
You're welcome.
All right, would you come over here
Yes,
and
ma'am.
cut up that shallot? All right.
Oh, that looks
Yum,
very
look
good.
at these pieces of garlic, Cheech.
She like it.
Oh, gosh, you got to eat some so you can stand me. Ooh, and look at this shallot. I'm gonna make a vinaigrette for these taters. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of a grainy mustard, a tablespoon of white wine vinegar. All right, we'll chop up a little parsley. You wanna do that?
I can do that.
And then a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. That looked like 1, didn't it?
Yeah, there you go.
That looks like 2. All right, and salt and pepper. Thank you, baby.
Yeah.
All right, we're just gonna whisk that together. Oh, I'm so sorry about the garlic.
Oh, that's good. No, it's good. It keeps you awake. And other people too.
And other people too. All right, we got our potatoes ready. You wanna taste the potatoes?
Oh, okay. I can do that.
Okay, let's taste one.
I won't taste
Get
that
you
one
one.
right there.
But isn't that yummy?
Oh, that's very good.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.